How to transfer photos from your Android to iPhone. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Firstly, you'll be needing an external application called Snapdrop. To download it, open up your Play Store and search for Snapdrop. In your iOS device too, install the Snapdrop application. Once it is successfully installed, tap on Open. Snapdrop will help you to transfer photos or any other source of media from your iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone. It is pretty simple to use it. Once a Snapdrop is completely loaded, you have to create a network. Right here, you need to open up your Snapdrop in both of your iPhone and your Android. It has to scan or it has to identify the device that you are trying to transfer. Once it locates the device, all you have to do is select on your iOS device that you want to transfer the media for. Select the device, then open up your gallery and select all the media that you want to transfer. By this way, you'll be able to transfer any media from your Android to iPhone and vice versa. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Hopefully you found this informative and helpful to you.